아무것도 전혀. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 아무것도. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 아무것도. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 236. 아무것도. This is pronounced as a 4-syllable word. The first syllable is a, second syllable is mu, third syllable is got, and fourth syllable is do. Pronounce it with me. 아무것도. 아무것도. The word 아무것도 could be used to say anything or nothing in Korean. Again, 아무것도 is anything or nothing in Korean. Now let's try to learn how to write 아무것도 in Hangul. This is composed of 4 syllables, and let's start with the first one. To be able to write the syllable a in Hangul, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, the ph symbol, followed by an a character. For the second syllable mu, we need to draw first a miyum character, followed by an u character. For the third syllable got, we need to draw first a gyeok character, followed by the all character, followed by the siyat character. And if you would notice, there is an S character or the siyat character. And in English alphabet, this is S. But for this specific syllable, it doesn't sound like S. It sounds like T. So it's not kos, it's kot. Although siyat could be seen as a counterpart of letter S of the English alphabet, we still have to remember that this is Hangul, and when siyat is located on the ending position of a syllable, it becomes letter T. For example, from the word Saranghae, Saranghae started with the siyat character and it has the S pronunciation. That is because the siyat character is located at the beginning of the syllable. But if we will look at the got part, since the siyat character is located at the last position of the syllable, it will have the T sound. So it becomes kot and not kos. So that the third syllable of 아무것도. For the last syllable do, we need to draw first a dikut character followed by the o character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these 4 syllables to form the Hangul of the word 아무것도. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, nothing at all. Again, it says, nothing at all. The Korean translation of this is 아무것도 전혀. Again, 아무것도 전혀. This is the same sentence flashed at the beginning of the video. The first part of the sentence is 아무것도, which is our word for today. Again, it could be used as anything or nothing in Korean, but for this case, it is used as nothing. The second part of the sentence is 전혀, which means not at all. And because of this word, we were able to identify that for this specific sentence, 아무것도 is used as nothing instead of anything. Because it is replicated or supported by the word 전혀, which is a negative term. What I mean by a negative term is that it says not at all. So it's a negation. So when these 2 words are combined, it would result to a sentence that means nothing at all. 아무것도 전혀 means nothing at all. And with that, you've just learned 아무것도. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 226 to 235. But don't forget our word for today, word number 236, 아무것도, which means anything or nothing. The first word for our review is word number 235, 나라, which means country. Word number 234 is Toshi, which means city. Word number 233 is 화장실, which means bathroom. Word number 232 is 졸업하다, which means to graduate. Word number 231 is 년, which means year. Word number 230 is 여기, which means here. Word number 229 is 후, which means after. Word number 228 is 전에, which means before or formerly. Word number 227 is 분, which means minute. Word number 226 is 시, which means hour. And that's it for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.